Jillian, ready, set,
Go!
okay. What does the doggy say? What does the doggy say? What does a kitty say? What does a piggy say? What does a frog say? Ribbit. What does a cow say? What does a baby say?
Baby.
The baby doesn't say baby. What does the baby say? Does the baby cry? Can you cry? Good girl. What's the piggy say? What's the horse say? Neigh. Neigh. And what does a sheep say? No, sheep says bah. What does a tiger say? What's a tiger say? Oh, that's a scary tiger. What did you, what? You're a tiger? What does the bear say? A bear says bear. What does Jilly say? You don't say anything? And what does a lion say? And where's your nose? Where's your ears? Where's your hair? Where's your toes? And where's your belly? Where's your belly? And where's your eyes? Jilly, can you show Mommy your eyes? Do you have eyes? No eyes? Where's your eyes? Where's your mouth? Where's your fingers? Where's your teeth? Teeth? Where is your head? Where's your shoulders? And where's your knees?
Mama.
Do you remember where your knees are? And where's your toes?
Mama.
Are your toes down there? Do you want to say bye-bye?
Bye, Cocky.
And do you have any kisses? Did you want to blow kisses?
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye,